Hey YouTube, I'm just here to make a quick little video. I'm on my way to my game, my college football game, and I just want to show y'all what I'm wearing. I'm not wearing any school colors or anything, but I just wanted to wear something comfortable. Wear my little dollar necklace, my dollar earrings, my dollar bracelets. Well, actually one of these bracelets was 50 cents because it was like in this big old bin that was on sale or whatever. And this I bought from Simply Fashions. It was way under $20, probably like, I don't know, it was low. I don't remember the price, I can't tell you, but it was cheap. And these tights, of course they were cheap, under $10. Got these Payless sandals on. Matter of fact, let me do it like this. My sandals. And that's my outfit. I love it. It's comfortable. This shirt hugs right here in this area because it's like my smallest area. So. And then I'm wearing my tights way up here so it can look more smooth. See? I mean, everybody know I'm plus size, but I mean, it looks nice. Like, I love this outfit. I just threw this together. I wanted it to look like natural and whatnot. I don't know. What you think? Please rate my video and tell me what you all think about my outfit, you know, for plus size people. Thank you. Bye.